in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use your calculator unit converter to convert 8 different types of measurements on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. On the home screen, I'm going to swipe up to go into app screen, and in here tap on the calculator app. Once calculator has started, to use the unit converter, you want to tap on this button right here. It's kind of like a ruler. You can see it's a unit converter. So if you tap and hold onto an item, it will give you a hint to show you what it is. So I'm going to tap on this unit converter. And in unit converter app, there are 8 different measurements that you could use. You can swipe across for more measurements to convert. So we got area, we got length, we got temperature, volume, mass, data, speed, and finally time. So let's first go to area. So we got for area, you got acres, and then if you tap on that, you can choose the unit type and then what you want to convert to. So you want to convert say 1 acre to square meters, and then this is what you get. Or if you want to convert to hectare, then 1 acre is 0.40468 hectare. And for length, we can convert between millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers, and so on. So let's say we want to convert from kilometers to miles. So 1 kilometer equals 0.62137 miles. And you can also do in reverse as well. So let's say I want to clear that, and I can type in let's say if I want to convert 10 miles, I want to find out how many kilometers is that. So you can see here I can put the input on the bottom in miles, and that will automatically convert to kilometers at the top. Or I can simply insert the value at the top to convert kilometers back to miles. So let's say 10 kilometers will be 6.21 miles. Okay, next we got temperature. Temperature we can convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So Celsius and Fahrenheit are the most common use of temperature unit, but there is also Kelvin units in here. So you can select what you want to convert to. So let's say if we want to convert 25 Celsius degrees to Fahrenheit, that will be 77 degrees in Fahrenheit. Next we got volume. So volume, you got UK gallons, US gallons, liter, milliliters, cubic centimeters, cubic meters, cubic inches, and cubic feet. So just put in the value and that will automatically convert for you. And for mass you got tons, UK tons, US tons, pounds, ounces, kilograms, and grams. Next, you got data. So we can convert for data between bits, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, and terabytes. Most of the phones nowadays comes in gigabytes. So sometimes we talk about this phone can have up to 128 gigabytes. So how many megabytes would that be? That would be 131,072 megabytes. And we can also convert speed. So from meters to kilometers or inches or feet or miles. And yeah, basically just put in the input and choose the output that you want to convert to. And finally is time. You can convert between milliseconds, seconds, minutes, hours, days, and week. So let's say I want to convert 7 days, and I want to work out how many hours that is. And in here, for 7 days, it will be 168 hours. And that's it, guys. That's how you can use the unit converter on your calculator on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. And after you finish with the calculator, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.